Picture this: a white tiger prowling through the jungle, its shimmering coat glowing like moonlight against the dark canopy. This isn't a scene from a fantasy novel, but a rare glimpse of albinism in the animal kingdom. Albinism is a genetic condition that results in the lack of melanin, the pigment that gives skin, fur, feathers, and scales their color. And while it might make these creatures look ethereal, it's far from just a cosmetic quirk. It's a survival challenge in the wild. Let's start with the albino tiger. Its snow-white fur and ghostly blue eyes make it look almost mythical. Yet, this striking appearance can work against it. In the dense forests of its natural habitat, blending in is vital for hunting and avoiding predators. Albinism strips the tiger of its camouflage, making it both highly visible to prey and vulnerable to threats. But that doesn't take away from its beauty, and spotting one in the wild is a rare and magical experience. Now imagine an albino peacock spreading its tail feathers. Instead of the usual iridescent blues and greens, you're met with a fan of pristine white feathers glistening in the sunlight. It's a breathtaking sight. Like a snowflake frozen mid-dance, these birds often stand out even more than their colorful counterparts, making them favorites in sanctuaries and zoos. But in the wild, standing out can be dangerous. Their radiant plumage makes it easier for predators to track them, turning their beauty into a disadvantage. And then there are albino sea turtles, with their pale, translucent shells and pinkish flippers. These little miracles of nature face an uphill battle from the moment they hatch. Their lack of pigmentation makes them more prone to sunburn and less camouflaged in the ocean's sparkling waters. Despite these challenges, albino turtles are a symbol of resilience, their existence reminding us of nature's delicate balance. One of the most elusive albino animals is the white alligator. With skin so pale it seems carved from ivory and hauntingly pink eyes, it's like a creature from a dream, or a legend. Found mainly in captivity due to their vulnerability in the wild, albino alligators are incredibly rare. In fact, only a handful are known to exist today. So why are these animals so rare? Albinism is caused by a recessive gene, meaning both parents must carry it for their offspring to inherit the condition. This is why it's more commonly seen in captivity, where breeding can be more controlled than in the wild. But here's the real kicker. Albino animals captivate us not just because of their rarity, but because they challenge our perception of the natural world. They're living proof of nature's unpredictability, an enchanting reminder that life doesn't always color inside the lines. Next time you see an image of an albino animal, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of their existence. They are nature's masterpieces, fragile, extraordinary, and unforgettable.